Alright guys, so now we've figured out why AWP is getting clearanced. Tough Built has tool bags now. They're really nice too. I mean, handle's really good. Just look at this, guys. Look at the pockets. Got a lot of storage options in here. Have a clip here, so you can put your clip on and off. So you can have some more tech, like, you know, side bags and everything that you carry around. This is just the tote, which is $54.98. And this looks like the extra large rolling massive mouth. Let's see this. Of course you can't see inside, they gotta lock it up. Locked up, locked up. That sucks. But as you can see, this opens up that way. Get that out of the way. Right there. You have that massive mouth of a 15-inch opening. You have a clip, clip pouches on and off right here. This is metal. It's not plastic, guys. It looks like, you can add more clips to it. Hub included. You just have to get the clips. You have a waterproof, rugged body. I wish I could look inside. This just sucks. It's not. You do have some clips on this side, a pocket here. That. Oh wow. It's just so easy. Oh man, even the stitching and the handles are really nice, guys. Wow. You got a whole bunch of pockets on the outside too. They're nice and deep. And they're not stiff. Put some nice tools on here. That's nice. Really nice, guys. I really like these bags. Even here, you can put some. Not really. You have some clips and stuff here, but like, I think the bar is going to get in the way of putting anything in there for that. But you do have some, whatchamacallit, pockets at the back here, which is good. But you can always buy this guy, or some of the bags. Man, I'm surprised Tough Built even is over here. They're usually at a Home Depot. Other than that, guys, that's about it. I mean, check out your local Lowe's. I mean, that's a pretty good freaking little tool bag that you can get. So, like, comment, subscribe. Tough Built at Lowe's now. Nice little tool bag. Peace.